Okay, let's take a look at some of the things you'll need to know to do very well in this class. First of all, I'm Keith Klein, and I'm the instructor of this class. I'm also the chair of the Life Skills Department, which includes all of the IVYT classes, and chair of the Communications Department, which includes all of the speech-related courses. I also take care of the fitness classes also. We will communicate a fair amount of time this way, me recording a message for you in which we discuss some of the things you need to know. I want you to check the announcements column on Blackboard always and make sure that you have selected the View All tab on that, or anything that's older than 7 days may not show up and you might miss an announcement. Now what I want you to do is kind of go through as I bring these things up to you. So first, you've done the announcements. Now we want you to take a look at the syllabus tab. It's all there in the syllabus, including the course calendar and when things are due for this class. Note the grading scale and the attendance policies for this class. That's really important. And scroll all the way to the bottom of the syllabus to see what is labeled the course calendar, telling you what is due as part of this class. Class sessions and resources are empty. Don't worry about that. Now check out the discussion boards. Please read the discussion board instructions carefully. Note that attendance is part of the way we take attendance is your participation in the discussion board, and any penalties that have to do with not posting in the discussion board, and what the deadlines are for those postings to the discussion board. There is nothing in the My Grades section or in the instruction section of Blackboard. Now, click on Assignments. First, you'll see a scavenger hunt assignment. That's the very first assignment you need to do. Do the assignment and then email that to me. Open the weekly assignments and follow the directions there very carefully, because that talks about what you need to be doing weekly. Nickel and Dimed, those contain the assignments dealing with the book Nickel and Dimed. Please read those carefully so you understand that you do not answer all of the questions that are there. You answer one or two of the questions that are listed. Read about the Service Learning Project. Every class member will be participating in a service learning project. You may want to check out Jerry's Day. That will be due in week number 2, but if you want to take a look at it now, fine, take a look. It won't be due, though, until week 2. The final project is there along with the due date. Take a look at that. That's one of the tabs. Course grades, that's where I will be posting your grades. Those will be shown to you based on the fantasy name that you have given me. The exam schedule is there. If you'll take a look under exams, read it carefully. The exams will open at 8 a.m. on Monday morning, and they will close the following Sunday night at 10:55 p.m. Do not, let me stress that, do not look at any of the tests, because if you do, and you open it before you're ready to take it, then that counts as an attempt. It'll be recorded as an F in the grade book, or a 0 in the grade book, and there's no way to make that up. Also, note the chapters that the exams cover, because with respect to those chapters, you will be doing some of those chapters on the exam before we've covered them in class. So you need to read ahead and know what's going on. PowerPoints. All of the PowerPoints that go with the various chapters are there. You can take a look at those at your leisure. Now let's talk about reflection papers. You'll see that you'll write a reflection paper about almost everything dealing with this class. A reflection paper is 1 page, double-spaced, never more than 2 pages. You go over 2 pages, I'm not even going to look at it. Page and a half, you're pushing it a little bit. 1 page, double-spaced. That's the real point. Make sure your section number, and if you're watching this, you're either in 80N or 81N, know which one you're in, and your name and the title of the assignment is on every page of every reflection paper that you send to me. Do not send me any assignment more than 48 hours ahead of the due date. The due date for the assignments are Monday at noon. Monday at noon, maybe 11 o'clock, one of those, it's there. But Monday, be sure you know that. So that means that roughly you're not sending anything to me until after Saturday at 11 a.m. Okay, now, first thing, send me your fantasy name. It'll be your first way for me to find out if you've actually read the instructions that are posted there. It's a test. I need the fantasy name, but we're already seeing indications of people sending me emails that aren't following the directions about your section number, 80N or 81N. You're not in both. Is farthest left on the subject line of all messages you send me. Make sure that that is what you're doing, because otherwise we've got a problem. And so that's the deal. Send me the stuff. If you got any questions, we'll deal with that, and we'll go from there. Have a great one, and we'll be in touch. Bye.